Ever wondered, what is TEMU and why is it creating such a buzz? We find ourselves surrounded by technological advancements that are shaping the world as we know it, and TEMU is one of those intriguing phenomena. A term that has been making waves in tech circles, and for good reason. But what exactly is TEMU? Why is it garnering so much attention and how does it work? These are the questions that often arise when something new and innovative hits the scene. Without giving too much away, let's just say that TEMU is a technological marvel that is poised to change our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. It's not just a passing fad, it's the future, and it's happening right now. If you're curious and want to know more, you're in the right place. Tuned as we delve into the depths of this technological marvel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. To kick things off, TEMU is not a fancy new gadget, but rather a software. It's a term you might have come across in the world of technology, and if you've been wondering what it is, you're in the right place. TEMU is short for the emulator, a piece of software designed to mimic or replicate the functionality of another system. Imagine having a piece of hardware or a system you'd like to use, but for some reason, you can't. Maybe it's too expensive, obsolete, or simply not accessible. That's where TEMU steps in. Like an actor stepping into a role, TEMU takes on the function of the system you need. It creates a virtual environment that behaves just like the system you're trying to emulate. This could be anything from an old gaming console to a high-end computer system. The beauty of TEMU is that it can trick applications into believing that they're running on their native platform when they're not. So, how does this techno-magic happen? Well, imagine you're a book translator. You read a book written in a language you understand, and then you rewrite it in another language. That's essentially what TEMU does. It translates the instructions of the system being emulated into instructions that your computer can understand. It's like having a universal translator for software. This process isn't just about making old games playable or running fancy software on modest hardware. It plays a crucial role in software development and testing, too. Developers can test their applications on a variety of systems without needing physical access to them. That's a time and cost saver. But let's not get lost in the technical maze. The key takeaway here is that TEMU is a tool that allows one computer system to behave like another. It's a bridge between the past and the present, the high-end and the affordable, the accessible and the unreachable. In simple terms, TEMU is a software that mimics other systems or devices. It's like having a universal translator for the digital world. And that, my friends, is the magic of TEMU. Now that we know what TEMU is, what's all the fuss about? The buzz around TEMU isn't just hot air. It's a burning fire fueled by the unique features and capabilities that set TEMU apart from other emulators. Let's dive into some of these distinctive aspects that have the tech community all abuzz. Firstly, TEMU is lauded for its ability to recreate the exact environment of various systems, which is a game changer. It's like having a time machine that can take you back to the era of any system you desire. Whether it's a vintage game console or a cutting-edge smartphone, TEMU brings it all to your fingertips, allowing you to experience these systems in their full original glory. Secondly, the accuracy of TEMU is unparalleled. It's not just about recreating the environment, it's about replicating it with precision. TEMU offers an almost identical experience to using the actual device. It's this high level of accuracy that has users raving about TEMU and its ability to deliver an authentic user experience. But the magic doesn't stop there. TEMU also boasts impressive versatility. It's not limited to any specific system or device. This means you can jump from playing a retro game on an old console to testing an app on the latest smartphone, all within the same session. This versatility is a dream come true for developers and gamers alike. And let's not forget about the robust debugging capabilities of TEMU. For developers, this is a major plus. It allows them to test their applications in a variety of environments and quickly identify and resolve issues. This makes TEMU an invaluable tool in the software development process. Lastly, TEMU is open source. This means that it's constantly evolving and improving thanks to contributions from its community of users. This open source nature also allows for greater transparency, fostering trust among its users. So you see, the buzz around TEMU isn't just because of its cool name. It's about its advanced features, its accuracy, its versatility, and its open source nature. Its advanced features and versatility are what make TEMU a hot topic in the tech world today. TEMU sounds impressive, but how does it actually work? Let's delve into that. At its core, TEMU, short for the emulator, is a software that mimics or emulates other systems. This might sound a bit confusing, so let's break it down. Imagine you have a device like a computer or a smartphone. That device has a specific operating system that runs it, right? Now, what if you could run a different operating system or even multiple operating systems on that same device? Well, that's exactly what TEMU allows you to do. It tricks your device into thinking it's running on a different system. Let's say you have a Windows computer, but there's an application that only runs on Mac. In a normal scenario, you'd have to buy a Mac to run that application, but with TEMU, you can create a virtual Mac on your Windows computer and run the application there. It's like having a Mac and a Windows computer in the same device. TEMU achieves this by creating a virtual machine or an isolated environment on your device that can run different applications. This is done by translating the code of the other system into a language that your device can understand. Now, you might be wondering, does this impact the performance of my device? The answer is it depends. TEMU is designed to be as efficient as possible. It utilizes your device's resources smartly and ensures that the performance of your device isn't affected drastically. However, running multiple systems simultaneously would naturally require more resources. So, the impact on performance would depend on the specifications of your device. But the beauty of TEMU lies not just in its ability to mimic other systems, it's also about the freedom and flexibility it offers. It allows you to experiment with different systems and applications without having to invest in multiple devices. It's like having the world of tech in your hands. So that's how TEMU works. It's like having multiple devices in one. With all these features and capabilities, one might wonder, is the hype around TEMU real? The question isn't as straightforward as it might seem. Let's delve into the matter, shall we? First off, there's no denying that TEMU has been a game changer in the tech world. Its innovative approach to emulation and its capacity to streamline processes have made it a hot topic among tech enthusiasts. The buzz isn't just about what TEMU is now, but also about its potential to revolutionize our interaction with technology in the future. The advantages are numerous. TEMU's ability to emulate systems with high accuracy and speed is unparalleled. It's not just about replicating systems anymore, it's about enhancing them, making them more efficient and more capable. This is why industries across the globe are sitting up and taking notice. But let's ground ourselves for a moment here. Is it all just sunshine and rainbows? Well, not exactly. Like any other technology, TEMU comes with its own set of challenges. For starters, it requires a high level of technical expertise to operate and maintain. This could make it less accessible to the average user. Furthermore, there are always concerns about compatibility and stability when dealing with new technologies. It's a constant work in progress, and the journey to perfection is often riddled with bugs and glitches. Then, there's the question of cost. Implementing TEMU on a large scale isn't cheap. The initial investment can be substantial, which might deter smaller businesses or individuals from getting on board. So, is the hype around TEMU real? Yes, but with a few caveats. It's a groundbreaking technology with immense potential, but it's also in its nascent stage, with many kinks to iron out. While TEMU is indeed impressive, like any other technology, it's not without its limitations. So, we've discovered what TEMU is, why it's creating a buzz, and how it works. In our journey today, we've delved into the intriguing world of TEMU, a software that's been making waves in the tech world. We've uncovered the reasons behind the growing chatter about it, and we've dived deep into the mechanics of its operation. TEMU is not just a piece of software, it's a testament to the incredible advancements we've made in technology. It's a tool that propels us into the future, one that's continuously reshaping our understanding of what's possible. And while we've covered a lot of ground today, this is just the tip of the iceberg. TEMU has so much more to offer, and it's up to you to discover what lies beneath the surface. So don't stop here. Dive in, explore, and let your curiosity guide you through this fascinating tech marvel. TEMU, a software that packs a punch, is certainly worth exploring. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech.